So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at 121,514 and Bitcoin has made a rally. This is a rally within a week or two. Just a second, I'll count the candles: 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So almost 11 days. It went to 112, which was the TA support area. Multiple days it touched this area for 2 days and it went up. Of course, when we were going up, we had 2 stages of journey. First area was 115 and then the next one was 120. And when it got stuck a bit at 115, I told you that we don't even need 2 days confirmation with it. We will pretty much live with the 1 day confirmation. When we see one daily candle closing above 115, we would assume it is on a journey towards 120. And that was basically, this green candle was our confirmation, and then it dropped. But like I said, 115 was captured. We were expecting it to go up, so this red didn't matter that much and we went up. Of course, our target was again 120. Today it went to 122,000, almost 300. All that is done, but if we want to go towards 132, which is 10% from 120, all we need is to live above 120 for more than 2 days. Now we haven't lived a single day yet above 120. We need 2 daily candles with the body closing above 120. That would dictate we are getting bullish. We are going to go towards 132. It will be in pieces, but it is going to be price discovery. It wouldn't matter that much. We might treat some psychological areas like 125, then 130. But like I said, if it is breaking above 120, we can just expect a 10% move. Of course, it will be in global news. It would look dramatic from 120 to 132, but the on-ground reality is it is a 10% move. So it's not that much of a stretch. Of course, it requires a whole planet to come together, but at the same time, when we talk about in terms of return, it's a 10% return. So 132 is pretty much okay. But all this will happen if we capture 120, live above that for more than 2 days, close 2 daily candles with the body above that area, then I can say, okay, now the upward journey has started. If Bitcoin fails, then I think you should pretty much get ready for Bitcoin to start going down again. 110 is our psychological support, 112 is the TA support. As long as these areas continue to hold, we can always expect to bounce back up. If we lose these areas, then we can start getting excited. I mean, if it loses 112, I wouldn't care about 110. I'll pretty much let go of that, and I would assume we will drop all the way down towards 102. Again, in pieces, 107, 102, and all that stuff. But for all that to happen, we need to fail at 120. It opens doors for all kinds of things. But if it doesn't fail at 120, then it can just range between 112 to 120, which is something that it is doing for quite some time now, because it has failed 120 multiple times previously as well. I mean, since it went up and hit 123, so it has failed it since then. And it's been how much time? It was 10th of July. So July, August. We are in August, so almost a month ago. Today is 11th of August. So it's been a month that it is ranging between these price points, and we need to pick a direction. If it is not breaking 120 and conquering it to start the upward journey, it might as well start the downward journey, and that's Bitcoin for you. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.